How to change music length on Facebook story. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Facebook application. Make sure that your application is installed and up to date. Log in, enter account if you have not, then tap on create a story. Select a photograph, then you can select the music from the bottom or just tap on the music icon in your right hand corner. From here, you can select a music or browse on your own. Now you have to tap on this lyrics. Now you can select the layout of it or just select music only. However, the most important is to see where the music actually ends. Now, once we have rest assured of it, tap on Done, then tap on Share. Now again, tap on Create a Story, select the same photograph, then add the same music. In this, we have to start the music from where it ended before. Then, just tap on Done and Share. Wait until your story gets posted. Mind it can take a while. Tap on the Your Story option and you will see that it will have a much lengthier music. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.